Right, so we've just come down to the team at Yoke Van. So these guys are fitting us a custom built van rack for our flooring van. So stay tuned and we're going to show you what they're up to. Right, so that's the floor in your home van all kitted out. No time to go and get the garage style van wrapped. Let's go. So that's the big garage style van all finished. Massive thanks to the guys at Aston Wraps. They absolutely smashed this one. Now on to get the security done on the floor in your home van.
So we've done, this van's got 2 side doors and the rear doors, they're all twin side. So we've done hook locks on every door. The hook locks are Sold Secure Gold approved for automotive use. So it's Gold Star rated, and the cylinders themselves are Secure by Design approved as well. So that's a police rating, so they've been tested to destruction. We've designed and added on this plate here. So this is an anti-peel plate. It gives the door extra strength in this direction. So if you're to shut the door and somebody tries to bend it from the top out, so like a peel and steel attack, you've effectively got as a minimum about 25mm of stainless steel, because it's going to try and bend in this direction. So you've got added strength added on there. The hook lock is bolted through onto that plate. The main reason we do this is because the doors are really weak. The locks are really strong, but the doors are weak. They've been slimmed down by the manufacturers to try and save weight, mainly to try and meet Euro 6 emissions. But what that does mean is that these doors are really easy to puncture and they bend really easily. So this is to provide extra strength and stop the lock giving way as a result of the door. So we've done that on the rear. On the side doors you'll see in a minute, we've provided protection for the hook, but you don't need it on this back door because the hook actually throws across into this bracket on the other side. So it throws behind the body of the door itself. So it's unlikely that a thief is going to try and attack the hook itself. So then, very simple, shut the doors. One turn of the key, and that's it, it's locked. You can see that. That's how that works.